This tutorial will guide you through on how to add a token on Phantom Wallet using the contract address of that token. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, and if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. So now the first thing is for we to now navigate to this application called the desk screener. So now once you click on the application, you will see the list of all the tokens, the numbers of their coin market, So now once you click on this application, you now proceed. You see the list of all the tokens, the time they were released. As you can see at this point, you see 15 hours ago, you see 9 hours, you now see 10 hours, as the case may be. So any token you wish to copy its contract address and probably add it in your Phantom wallet, you now proceed and you now click on the token. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be going with this token Agawa. So now for us to do that, we now proceed and we now click on the token. So now once you click on this token right here, the second step is now proceed to this point where we have copy, and you now copy it. So now once you click on it, you now see address copied to clipboard. So now once you've already copied it, you now proceed to your Phantom wallet. So now once you click on your Phantom wallet, while the app is waiting to open, remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share if this is helpful to you. So right now we now authenticate the app to open. So right now the contact address we've copied from the desk screener, you now come to this icon and you now paste it there. You now hold down and you now paste, and you now search. So now once you search, you see the token automatically. So now you now tap on it. So once you tap on it, you see an option for you to trade and to swap immediately. So if you want to buy this token, you now proceed and you now click on buy. So if you wish to swap, you now click at this point to swap. So this is how to add a token in your Phantom wallet using the contract address. So if this is helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you.